Hi, this video is to introduce Evergreen online platform for students. Firstly, open your Chrome or Firefox browser, log in and copy-paste the classroom link into the address bar. Then click Join button to join the class. If the browser asks you to join in with Flash or HTML5 mode, please choose HTML5. You can choose Listen Only or Use Microphone as the teacher required. Please speak some words to test if you choose Use Microphone. After joining the class, you can use the mute button to turn off the microphone. If you want to change to Listen Only mode, you can click this button. Click the camera button to turn on the camera on your computer and click it again to turn it off. You can also maximize the camera window to the full screen and cancel your sharing video by clicking the camera button again. In the left sidebar, the icon with the computer represents the teacher. You and other students' name will show in the user list as well. You can mute or unmute yourself by the pop-out list menu item or click Set Status and choose an emoji to show your current status, like confused, excited, or raise your hand. Your status will be displayed on your icon and seen by others. Click your profile icon and choose Clear Status and you can remove the current status. You can click the public chat in the left sidebar to chat in the public group, or click any student's icon to talk with them in one-on-one private channel. You're also able to use the function called Shared Notes right here. Just like Google Doc, all of the class members can edit the notes together. Some of your status and functions can also be controlled by the teacher, like mute or unmute your microphone or whether you can private chat with other students. In the central part of the screen is a whiteboard for the presenter to share PowerPoint slides or his or her screen. When your teacher launched an online poll, you can click your answer just like this. Your teacher will be able to see your answer and publish anonymous poll results. When the teacher turned on the multi-user mode, all of the students could write or draw on the screen. When the teacher sets you as a presenter, you can share your screen right here, and you can also upload your presentation. You can click the right top button and open settings, then tweak the settings as you like, including your preferred language, message alerts, and so on. You can click the right top button and choose to log out to leave the classroom, or you can wait until your teacher ends the meeting when the class ends. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy our Evergreen online platform.